Lacquering is a process of mixing of colors into the clear lacquer which make some color change like plated finishes. We can make this uh, lacquer by using gold or brass, antique brass, like that colors by mixing various colors like black, silver, gold, brown, like colors, and adding the glossiness and the matte finish by changing the glossy and matte acrylic lacquer. We have to use some acrylic thinner to dilute the lacquer and have to add some colors to mix the lacquer. Actually, we are now mixing some colors of brown, black, and some red to make the antique bronze color finish on the aluminum surface. To make this, we have to clean the surface perfectly, and in a paint gun which is using compressor at the end, we have to mix some lacquer with thinner, and after that we have to add the required colors. When we are adding the colors, we have to note down how much drops we are actually using. Actually, we have to repeat for repetition of the process. If we don't write the color, then there will get some variations. The surface finish of the uh, masterpiece which we are going to lacquer, we have to clean it perfectly. Otherwise, the marks inside the uh, marks or dots inside the base material will get more affected when the finish will get on the top. Have to add the clear lacquer and some color drops in the paint gun and have to mix it properly for avoiding the white marks or air bubbles inside the mixture. When we are mixing it in proper way, then it will get a fine finish. We are here used the Texon lacquers, and also we are using Millennium lacquer and Alva lacquers. The lacquers are very expensive products which are costing nearly 60-70 dirham per liter for an average quality lacquer. For the high quality lacquer, we have to pay up to 150 dirhams or 200 dirhams for 1 liter of lacquer. We will get uh, clear lacquer, matte lacquer, and semi glossy lacquers. When we record good quality like semi glossy or semi matte, we have to mix the glossy lacquer and that means clear lacquer and the matte lacquer in the required proportion. When we are applying the finish on the surface, the hand movement is very important. Actually, if we the unskilled lacquerman is making the finish, then there will get white marks on the surface. Now we can look at this piece. This is just looking like the plated surface. Several companies are using this is for getting good finish of like plating in a low costly process. Actually, for this is only expensive like 1/3 of the plating process. Also, we can use some surface finished stainless steel or aluminum to get good finish For that we have to make the surface like airline finish or mirror finish, otherwise brush finish or vibrated finish to get the exact output of this process. This is we have made for the signboard which have to match the sample given by the supplier.